How to reset Canva account password. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will see how we can reset Canva account password. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser and in the search bar type in canva.com. That's gonna take you to the official website of Canva. Now to log in, head towards the top right corner and click on login button. Here click on continue with another account and here you can choose continue with email. Once here, you have to enter your email address that you have used while creating a Canva account. After that, click on continue. Now you have to enter your password. But in case if you forgot your password and if you want to recover or reset your password, just under that there is a link provided that says forgot password, click on it. Now, again, provide your email address associated with your account, then click on continue. After that, you will receive a confirmation or the verification code on your Gmail. So you have to go and open up Gmail in your device. And there, check in your inbox, you will have the code from Canva. So you have to copy this code and then simply paste back to Canva. Copy the code, go back to Canva and paste the code right here. Now once you're verified, you'll be taken into this prompt where you can reset your password. So create your new password. Under that, confirm it again. Once you're done, click on set password. And with that, the password is recovered or reset and you'll be directly logged into your account. And that's how you can reset your Canva account password. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.